My name's Eric. I'm from Melbourne. My acupuncture experience is I'm in my 4th year of Chinese medicine school. Got another year left. My experience so far in the seminar is that I was at the Wei Qi seminar last time and I found it really helpful. There's a lot of amazing information I learned. However, this time I felt a lot more confident and have more tools to actually start practicing and actually getting results and feeling more confident with my needling. That's probably the biggest thing, is that I feel more confident with my needling and knowing that I'm getting the maximum effect for each point, as opposed to, I guess, before trying them out, not getting such good results or being more painful. I've learned that I need to go closer to the bone. I think a lot of the points that have a very strong effects, I wasn't getting close enough to the tendon or close enough to the bone, and it was really good getting feedback on how to find the correct location and technique. I recommend this seminar to practitioners that are interested in Master Tung, or people that are looking to get outside of the regular 12 meridians. I want more help in, I guess, locating the points, because I know a lot of people have learned them from books or online, and getting more hands-on help to make sure that you're getting the maximum effect, as opposed to just being near the point but not getting as much bang for your buck.